Hi, my name is Leaky and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat, what I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. We got a very rare moment when it's not dark and not raining, because last month literally pouring every single day. Anyway, let's smash it. So we're prepping surfaces for starting putting back these babies. Yeah. Story of my life, bailing water out of boat not even in the water. Happy days. So I'm gonna clean up this with a grinder around before sending this nuts and bolts in. Same as inside. There's this couple holes there and in the front. It's very not the best success, but well, I just send the grinder on and that's it. What is up? Something like that. Other than that, so what we want, line this up. Some holes not line up very well. To countersink, otherwise the thing doesn't gonna go. Now good. Happy days. Little magic juice. Slap that on. Bitumen, whatever. Like always. Not sure if that works or just doing anyway. I saw on YouTube. Let's poke them in. I'm gonna film from inside how I struggle to put them thing, but I will film from outside how I tighten them up. Happy days. So, this do. The hardest bit don't slip. So that's come off. Beautiful. Right. It must be solid now. One job done. I'm gonna tidy up once it dries. I might fill those with epoxy, just make sure 100% no leak. but it's supposed to be good. Now I can raise the mask. Next job, again put the frame on, same procedure. It's going dark soon. Smash it in. Eight screws, nuts, sorry. 8 nuts and bolts. Going down. So this time, putting black stuff around here. Plug the hole. Seems going in. Oh, I hate this stuff. My hands is covered. What am I gonna do? A bit tappy tappy. Tighten up this. So it's finally on, solid. One thing which takes forever. Anyway, seems a little bit getting dark. Hard to get time in the weekends and before Christmas. Anyway, good job, done. I'm inside, all done. Hopefully gonna stay as is. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can buy me coffee. Link below. Whatever. If you're a millionaire, share some money. See you next time.